Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make SSH keys on Ubuntu. Let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do is open up our terminal, and we're going to generate the SSH key for this computer. So we're going to type SSH-keygen. And it's going to ask us where to save the key. So we're just going to leave it in its default location. So we could just press enter. And then it's going to ask us if we want to give it a password. And I'm just going to leave it set to blank. So we could just press enter. And then we need to re-enter the password that we gave it. And then press enter. And it's done. So now we have an SSH key that we can use to copy to all the other computers. So to do this, we're going to type SSH-copy-ID-I. And we want to give it the path of our SSH key. So you can just type .ssh/id_ed25519.pub. And then in quotes, we're going to give it the address of our server. So mine is going to be Theo at 192.168.64.31. And then we're going to type yes. And then we're going to enter the password of the target machine. So now the SSH key has been successfully copied over to the other machine. Now, if for whatever reason you aren't able to connect to the other machine over passwords, you could copy over the key data manually. So to do this, we could type cat.ssh/id_ed25519.pub, and we could just copy this to our clipboard. And then on the other machine, we could type nano.ssh/authorized keys, and then we could just paste the key data into this file. And then we could save this file, and we're done. So now we can connect to the other machine by typing SSH and the server address, and then press enter, and it worked. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!